not bad for a little $150 speaker.
No, man. Those are $150, really?
$150
that's pretty good.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
Kind of under construction.
Okay. So what's your name and what's in here?
My name is Brian Fisher. Got 4 Alternator audio iTunes. Smart Ontario Smart 3K with a XS battery. Stock electrical.
So no extra battery right now?
Well, just an extra battery. No alternator or nothing like that.
Yes, sir. Did you do the big 3?
Nope.
Okay.
It's all.
Wow, you have it all gutted.
Yeah.
Looks good.
I'm working on taking the sunroof out. So.
Okay. Oh, the whole sunroof and you'll block it?
Yep.
And this is a cool design. How did you do that?
Electricity did that. I'm actually thinking about, before I go get in the competition, I'm going to put this box back in. I'm going to take the speakers out and put this back in because this box right here play at 15 hertz. On them 10s.
Wow. What's the box tuned to?
That one is tuned to 18 hertz.
Okay. Oh, man. Those are $150, really?
$150
that's pretty good.
a piece.
Nice. And the box is everything, too.
Yep.
So as you would know watching my videos. Yes,
I watch a lot of your videos.
I really appreciate you watching, man. Look, I know you said work in progress videos, too.
I'm going with 412.
412s? Okay, so you're going to go for 410s, 412s.
Yep.
Awesome.
I'm going to put 10 amp 5K amp on each one of them.
On each? Wow. Oh, man, you're talking a big change. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Nice. Is this mounted anywhere or does it move?
It don't move. It's stuck to the dyno mat.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's stuck right in place. It don't move or anything.
Looks really good. Nice. How deep does your port go back?
It wraps the whole length of the box and comes back over to about right here.
Oh wow, so you're almost like a T-line almost.
Yep.
But so right here?
Yep.
Very nice. Looks good. That's all right.
And I know we never let the fuckery get to me right now. Niggas ain't worth
$150, really? Oh, that's pretty
$150 a
good.
piece.
Nice. And the box is everything too.
Yep.
So as you would know, watching
Oh
my
yeah.
videos. Yes,
I
sir.
watch a lot of your videos.
I really appreciate you watching, man. Look, I know you said work in progress, but
Yeah.
I appreciate the demo, man. Thank you for
No
watching
problem.
my videos too.
I'm going with 412.
412s? Okay, so you're gonna go from 410s to 412s.
Yep. With
Awesome.
I'm gonna put 10 amp 5K amp on each one of them.
On each? Wow. Oh man, you're talking a big change.